TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 190, NASDAQ is up 66, S&P's up 24, gold contract down $12.20 at 11.14. You get silver flat at 14.61, actually up 3 pennies, which is there's some divergence, some decent divergence there. We'll get into that in a second. Platinum is flat at 9.16. You have copper up 9 cents at 2.34 a pound. Light sweet crude up 15 cents at $45.37 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year is down 6 ticks. 128.19. 30 is off 21 ticks. 157.08. King dollar up 402 ticks, 96.40. King dollar is going to try to get into its swing point once again. It's failed each and every time coming up to that swing. Euro is down 63 at 111, and the yen is out there at 120.04. Now, let's go take a look at these S&Ps. What do you have? If we use the SPY, folks, and you take a look at the SPY, this is what you have. The SPY had come into the lows of October 24th, 25th, and 26th. The last 2 days with lighter volume. That's what this bounce is all about. It's a 100% move of a move. You're coming into that area. You're going to need more juice in order to bust that area down. What I expect you to see, we're at 190.69. This thing can bounce all the way up to 194.96. That's the lows that were generated on the 18th of September. We take a look at the NDX 100, the 3 Qs. What do you have with the NDX 100? Same type of setup. You're up $1.67 right now. The 3 Qs can bounce up. We're at 101.14, 103.13 is game. The IBB, so the IBB runs the NASDAQ composite. The IBB out here is up $9. Yesterday it was up $13. It had given it all up. But what the IBB actually had done yesterday was pushing into its lows with lighter volume after the large downdraft that was created out here on Monday. Now, the IBB is going to be intriguing to see, can the IBB actually get into the 320 to 328 area? I expect somehow, some way, that's what's going to happen. You'll see it get up there with lighter volume, and what that's going to set up, lower price, and it's going to set up a busting of the 284 number inside the IBB. Gold, let's go to the gold contract. This is going to be a fun one, folks. Why? Because you had gold push lower. You have 91,000 contracts. You have divergence, but guess what? You're going to need a lot more than 91,000 contracts to blow this baby out. It's coming into 178,000 contracts. So what is on the game out here? Well, if we go over to silver, silver is screaming what's on the game. And what the game is that silver will not back down. Silver is more volatile than gold. Silver has hit 14.44 today. We're at 14.61. It has 19,000 contracts. So what silver has already done is tested the lows of Monday, which is 14.47. We had 57,000 contracts. Bottom line, you're going to see silver move higher. You're going to see gold move higher. Bonds, what do we have with the bond market? As the market bounces, you're going to see bonds move lower. 10-year right now is hanging tough. It's up there. It's down only 5 ticks. Hanging tough. The 30-year it has same type of setup. 30 years backing down slightly. The USZ 30-year right now is backing down slightly. I expect you're going to see both of them roll over in the next few days. King dollar. King dollar is the number out here. We'll see whether King dollar can take that swing point. Thus far, it looks like King dollar is going to fail once again. So what are we looking at out here? You're looking at higher market, a bounce in the market. If you take a look at the S&P cash, the cash is trading out at 1910. This bounce can get you up to the 1953.45 level. I expect as we get there, you're going to see the volume contract. That is the lows of the downdraft from September 18th. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call 855-750-4051. They have some great deals right now, folks, on gold coins and silver. Gold, $75 over spot. Silver, $7 over spot. 855-750-4051. Have a great one. Have a safe one. Look forward to speaking to you right back here tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock.
Today, it's hard to tell if the economy is coming or going. Regardless, I want my money going in the direction I choose. If that's your stance as well, then you want to know how Everbank can help keep your money thriving just the way you want. Is growing your money a priority? Everbank is committed to a yield pledge promise to pay high yields on your checking, money market, and CD balances. Looking to diversify? Everbank ingeniously developed accessible ways to spread your money around the world into foreign currencies and even non-FDIC insured metals. And when it comes to your wealth, they bring a highly experienced and global perspective to help you manage it. Everbank's financial philosophy flies in the face of the status quo. They believe your money's performance should not be determined by today's economic circumstances, but by the drive to rise above them and create opportunities that favor your objectives. If that excites you, like it does me, call 1-855-750-4051 to find out what they can do for you. That's 1-855-750-4051. Call them today. Everbank is a member FDIC and equal housing lender.